Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your Z with a Z. I'm back with another video for you lovely people. And today is Mother's Day. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know I had to come out here in Chicago to just, cook for my mama. You feel me? So we at the gas station right now. So I'm using my mama's car, put some gas in her car. But yeah, I had went to go get some groceries to cook. You know what I'm saying? My brother them said they wanted something, so I hopefully I had got enough. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully I got enough. I'm gonna put something on the grill, and I just pray and have faith. You know what I'm saying? Everything come out smoothly and taste good. You know what I'm saying? I don't eat meat, so they gonna enjoy this jambalaya. That's why I think that's what it's called, jambalaya. Yeah, I'm gonna make that with some cornbread with some kale and things like that. So yeah, y'all stay in tune, and yeah, we gonna get some reactions and things like that. So yeah, so stay in tune, y'all. Stay in tune, bro. Yeah. So y'all, this all the stuff that I have bought. This. Here go my mama right here. Watch the chicken. It's my first time watching chicken. Bro, my mama said she washed her chicken just with water, bro. Gonna wash it with lemon and apple cider vinegar. You know what you were doing when you got where, baby. am officially done with the food. You feel me? I am done with the food. I spent like 3 hours in the kitchen, man. I spent 3 hours in the kitchen. So this is what we got right here. We got some kale and mushrooms. You know what I'm saying? And right here, we got the jambalaya. We got the jambalaya. You feel me? It smells good. It look good, y'all. And we got the cornbread. Right there. And we gonna get my mama reaction. Then we gonna take my grandma some food, get her reaction, things like that. So yeah, I just pray that it tastes good. You know what I'm saying? It look good, smell good. So I wish I could have some of the jambalaya, but it got meat in it. So we ain't gonna get none of that. But yeah, y'all stay blessed out there. Enjoy y'all time with y'all family. Every day you should enjoy your time with your family. So yeah. You can add something to it. It's hot.
Good, but it's spicy.
It's on, like on a scale of 1 through 10.
If it's more spicy, it's a 10.
No, I'm talking about the spice levels.
Oh, it's a 10.
It just.
I thought the britches closed the gap.
Come on, why my mama saying the same thing?
It did close it.
Permanent retainers.
It sound alright. Must be alright.
It's supposed to be crunchy like that. That's how you keep
Are
the
you
nutrients.
sure?
Yes, that's how you keep the nutrients.
What is this?
That is jambalaya. Jambalaya.
She don't forget. Get a spoon. Put in your hand.
This.
You been out on the porch there. Open that door downstairs.
You know what I'm saying? That avocado is on top so it can, like, just in case it's spicy to you, you can, like, level it out with avocado.
What is these is rice, right? What else you got? What is that?
That's bell pepper, the different kind of bell pepper. And celery, onion, and chicken. It's chicken breast in there.
Okay.
With
She put honey in her cornbread.
This cornbread. Let me see what this is.
taste it with the kale.
You eating in this?
Yeah, I ate the kale and the cornbread. I didn't eat the other one.
Because it had meat in it.
You need some meat.
They said that's why sis like she is. She won't eat meat and she needs that iron in her body. That very next people giving her the blood.
Kale mushroom. Y'all get you some. Y'all gotta get you some.